So guys, range function. We are having start, stop, and step. So guys, if okay, before range, do you guys remember rand range function? Do you all remember rand range? What about others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nitesh, Aditya, Meenakshi, Saswat, Sneha, Zulekha, Ankita, TJ. Rand range function is clear? So can anyone unmute and let me know what is rand range function? Can anyone unmute and let me know what is rand range function among you guys? Anyone?
Am I audible right now?
Your voice is breaking, Saswat. And Sudha, can you please mute yourself? Can explain it once again. Yeah, sure, I will do it, but I didn't get you, Aditya. No worries, Sudha, no worries. It's like rand number, but in the given range. Rand range is basically about picking up a number or any a term between a specified range. Yes, very good, very good. So rand range function, what it does now? Rand range function. Give me a sec. Zulekha, I'm clearing the doubt. Okay. Rand range function. It is a function in Python which is going to generate a random number from a specific range. From a specific range. Let's say I am having a range as 0 to 10. This is my range. From this only I want a random number. From this only I want a random number. But on a specific interval. Let's say my interval is 3. So what will be my range? 0, starting point is 0, which is included. Plus 3. Plus 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. It is between 0 to 10. So this is my range, whole range. From this, randomly, I will get one answer. That will be my rand range function. Clear, everyone? Clear, Zulekha? Clear, Zulekha? If still anyone is having any doubts, please let me know. I will explain it again. Still anyone is having any doubt with rand range, let me know. I will explain it again. Everyone is clear? Once more? Okay. Just give me a moment. Let me just remove this. So Sneha, what is happening in rand range? Just suppose I am having the range as this. Let's say 15. This is my range. Starting from 0. Ending just before this. Ending just before 15. That will be 14. At 14, it is going to get ended. So my range is 0 to 14, basically, but rand range is going to take it from a specific interval. Let's take an interval. Give me any number. What kind of interval you need? Which interval you need? Give me any number, guys. 3. Let's take it 3. So what is going to happen? My range will become 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6.
6, 9.
Yes, next.
Okay, now clear, ma'am.
Then 12. But 15 will not be the answer because I am having my range
14.
till 14 only.
Okay,
now clear with rand range?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also same as range. In rand range, what is going to happen now? You guys are only going to get only one random number among this whole range. But with the help of range, you guys are going to get this whole range in a sequence as the answer. Are you all clear? Are you all clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
With range also? With range also clear, guys? So Lekha, I'm coming to your doubt as well. I'm just taking this first. Everyone is clear with rand, range and range? If you guys will say, I will explain it once more. Are you sure, guys? There is no doubt now? Great. Okay, so now let me take the random function, which is Zulekha's doubt. Okay. So random now, it is a function which is inside my random module only, but it is only going to give me, it is by default. By default, it is going to give me the answer in float only and also only in between 0.0 and 1.0. This is your random function. Always answer is going to be float and only the answer between 0.0 and 1.0 you will get. Any random number you will get between 0.0 and 1.0 only. That is random function. Okay, Zulekha? Okay, Zulekha? Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? In part number 3, where we were learning about list, indexing and all, any doubts in that? Random. I am taking that. Just give me a moment. So what is happening now over here? First of all, I'm importing random because if I want to use any kind of function which is a part of my module, I have to import it first. Okay, so I'm importing. After that, result is equals to. If I want to use a function which is inside that module, I have to call that module first. That is random dot. With the help of dot, I'm calling that function which is inside that module, and the name of the function is random. Like this, it is working. Okay, Zulekha? Okay, Zulekha? Now got it? Any other doubts, guys, in part number 3? It is a keyword, Ankita. Yes, if you are using only range, then no need. Okay, Meenakshi? Most welcome, Zulekha. If you are only using range function, there is no need to import random. Acha, now tell me any doubts in list? Any doubts in list, guys? What is list? How to create list? Slicing, indexing, positive indexing? No. One time only import, then you can use it in that particular notebook. Just import one time. I was doing it again and again so that you guys will not get confused. Okay? Slicing and removal. Give me a moment, huh? Yeah, slicing. So in slicing, basically what is going to happen, let me just take an example now. Let's suppose this is my list. Okay. This is my list, suppose. So now, how many elements are there in my list? How many elements are there in my list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. Okay, so that's 5 elements are there. Now, as Saswat is telling me to do slicing first. Okay, so Saswat, tell me, What part you want to, what part you want me to slice? No worries, Soumya. I'm just taking the doubts from yesterday's session right now. Let me take it that it is inside the A variable. You just want to take that. You just want that. So because you have given me the positive number. So according to positive number, because positive indexing starts from left to right and starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer will be, if you only want it to get printed, then so your answer will be 10 as it is. But if you want to slice it, if you want your list only become this, do you want to do like that? Sister? Do you want to do like that, that your list only becomes 10 and other things are going to get removed? You want like that? You want to create a list like that? Okay, so what you can do is A. So what is the index of 10 now? What is the index of 10? 1. Ratio 2. Only 1:2. If you only want this 10 as your sublist, then only 1:2. Only 1:2. Because it is going to get ended over here only, no? So only 10 will be your answer. Okay, Saswat? Are you clear? Are you clear with slicing now? Great. Now the next, you are asking about removal, right? I'm just confirming. Okay. So for removal, I told you guys about the pop function. So now, which part you want me to remove from this list? Which part you want to remove? 4.5. And what is the index of 4.5? To just put a dot pop 2 and 4.5 will get removed. But if you're going to run that particular cell again, now what will be at the second position? 4.5 got removed. It is not in the list anymore. Now at index 2, 3 will be present. 3 will be present. So it will get removed again if you are running it. Okay? Got it? Got it? Great. Okay, so now Zulika is asking me, can we remove 2 elements at a time in a list? Yes, we can use it. We can do it. Very good, TJ. Remove function we can use. Yes, we can. Let me just show you guys this as with the help of an example. Let me just connect this. With pop only I will add now. Where is shopping cart? Yes, you're correct, Saswat. This is my list. This is my list. If I want to remove multiple things, so what I can do, I can just use slicing again over here. So let's just suppose I want to shopping cart. I want to remove from first two items. Let's say, so 0:2, right? That will be the thing. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add one thing in the starting, that is del. Del means delete. Now if I will just print the shopping cart, first 2 items will get removed. Yes, you're correct, Saswat. You're correct. Got it?
So I have one question. So
Yes, Nitesh.
Dell shopping cart, no square bracket. Why we are using no colon instead of comma?
Here?
Yes. Why we are
Because
using colon?
I'm slicing it, no? I'm taking a slice of my list first and then I'm deleting that slice.
So in slicing we need to use
Colon, yes. See
colon.
here. Yesterday only we did, no?
Okay.
Colon we use, not comma.
Not comma.
Yes.
In range we use comma, right? In slicing
In
we need
range
to.
we use comma. In slicing, when you are working on list, we use, because we are working on indexes. Okay. So we are going to use colons.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, you are correct, Saswat. That is not detail function, that is delete function. For slice it, just put delete in front and that particular part from the list will get deleted. Now is everyone clear? Is there still any doubts?
We have remove function also, right? In this.
Yeah, what you guys can do is just put a step over here. You guys will be able to delete the consecutive parts. Just give me a second. I will do it again actually, because already it got deleted. See, jeans and shoes and this. You guys can see that now. For that, you guys have to use this. Okay. Now, any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? Yes, you're correct. You're correct, Saswat. Any other doubts, anyone from our yesterday session? Everything is clear? Can I start with today's session now? Okay, great. Yes, Nitesh, you want to say something?
Can you show example of remove?
Sorry?
Remove function.
Give me a second. Aditya, please, can you please remove that from the screen? Thank you. Okay, now I will tell you guys about the remove function as well. What is the name of my list? Just what you have to do, shopping cart dot remove 89 print shopping cart. That will get removed. Or if you want to remove multiple things, then what you have to do, just pass a list inside it. Make sure the names are correct. Give me a moment. Okay. Now I guess the description got changed, so this one is not working. Give me a second. I'm telling you guys the another part. You guys can do it in the another part. If you want to do it, you can just use the indexes. You guys can just do the indexes. No worries. No, it is not working. Right now, it is just taking that. Their documentation, I guess it got changed. I will just take that out again, okay? Don't worry. One thing, so it is removing. Other way is also there, but that functions now I haven't taught you guys till now in the class, so I don't want to make it complicated. Okay?
So what
So
is
there is,
what
yes,
is
yes.
difference between pop and remove? Both are doing the same thing.
In pop now, you are giving the index. In
Mm-hmm.
pop, you are giving the index. Again and again, you're again and again you're doing it. It is removing again and again, right?
Mm.
At that particular index, but it is removing only one time. That particular
Okay.
thing only.
Okay. Remove will work only one time.
Yes, yes. We can do it multiple times as well, but I guess it's a documentation got changed. That is the thing in Python. Sometimes it gets changed. So the previous way it is not working. I will check it out if there is any simple way as well. But there is one more way which I can show you guys, but that functions now which that I haven't taught you guys in the class till now. So I don't want it to become a little complicated. So I'm going to skip that part for now. We will do it, but in the future classes.
Okay.
Okay. For multiple items, I have told you delete, and you guys can use pop. For remove, right now, just use it for the one item only. Okay, Meenakshi? Yes. Yes, Aswat, you're correct. Give me a moment. When we add an item in the list, we can use append function, but that item prints 3 times in output. So it is default or it has some property. Append, append again if I am going to do it. Just give me a moment. Oh, just give me a moment. This thing, no, I'm going to put it here now. I'm going to put it here now. Okay. Stocks got added. Only one time it got added. Just see that. Only one time it got added. I'm running it again. Now it will get added second time. Running it again, third time. Running it again, fourth time. So you're running it again and again. That is why it is getting added again and again at the end. Okay? Great. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? Let's start with the homework then. Let's start with homework questions. Great. And guys, I'm really, really proud of you all because I was seeing the WhatsApp messages, like how you guys were helping each other. That was really, really great. Keep it up, guys, and don't stop helping each other, okay? Okay, so let's do it, guys. You also send me your answers and we will discuss them one by one now. So our first problem statement is create a list of fruits, apple, banana, and cherry, and print it. You can add more fruits in the list if you want. So what will be the answer for that? Just take the variable as fruit is equals to square bracket, and inside that just put all the names of the fruits which you want and print the fruits. And this is how your list is done. Simple, right? Yes, very good, Ramya. Very good, Saswat. Oh, you have done first and second both together. Now, take the same list and replace the second element in apple, banana, cherry with grape using the index. So now, how you are going to do it? What is the index of the second element? What is the index of second element? Yes, 1. So
One,
just
one.
modify it. Just modify it. Fruits 1 is equals to grape and it will get changed. Everyone clear with first two questions? Everyone clear with first two questions? Great. Now, using the same list lies and print the first two fruits from the list. First two fruits from the list. So now how we will do that? Yes, very good, Ramya. Very good. Just take the list of the fruits and just put print fruit square bracket ratio 2. So why only ratio 2? Because by default it is going to get started from 0 only. If you want, you can put 0 also. If not, you can skip that part as well. Because if you are not putting anything, that means 0 only by default. If I will run it, I will get first 2 fruits. After that, problem statement number 4, in the same list, add orange to the list of fruits and print the list. Now, which function will I use? Which function will I use?
Append.
Yes, very good. We will use the append function. Just like that, fruits.append orange and just print the fruits. It will get appended. Clear with the first 4 questions? Great. Now, guys, we are having the 5th problem statement. From the same list, now remove grape from the list of the fruits. Now, for removing, what I will use? Pop. And what is the index of grape? What is?
1.
Yes. Pop, or there I am using a remove function to show you guys. Okay, remove also we can use. Only one thing only I am removing now, so we can use that as well. Pop one also you guys can use. That depends upon you. I have told you guys 3 things to remove. You guys can use any among them. Okay.
Ma'am, one doubt. Is that
Yes.
it has to be in a double quote or it has to be in a single quote? Because all the fruits
Depends
are there in
upon
single.
you. Depends upon you. Either single,
Anything
either
is fine,
double.
right?
That
Even
is
single or
text.
double is good.
Yes. String, either single, either double, both are fine in Python. Now, problem statement number 6. Write a program to generate a random integer between 1 and 50. After generating the number, use an if statement to check whether the number is even or odd. If the number is even, print even. Otherwise, print odd. Use an else statement to handle the case when the number is odd. Display both the generated numbers and whether it is even or odd. Very good, Zulekha. Very good, Zulekha. Now, guys, what we are doing? Import random, because I'm going to use a rand inc function to get a random integer between 1 to 50. So I'm just printing that number, and then I'm using modulus. If you guys remember, week number 1. If you guys remember week number 1, we learned about this percentage sign, remainder. If I'm dividing a number by 2 and my remainder is going to be 0, that means it is odd. That means it is even. Otherwise, it is going to be odd. Yes, Zulekha, you are using curly braces. That is not correct. Okay, now if I will run this, I'm getting 17. That is odd. Run this again. I'm getting even. So randomly I'm going to get. And the last problem statement for the homework is write a program to create a list of numbers that are multiples of 3. Starting from 3 and ending at 30. Use the range function to generate these numbers, specifying the start, stop, and step values to ensure only multiples of 3 are included. To ensure only the multiple of 3 are included. Convert the resulting range into a list using list function to display the multiples. Print the final list. I will check that as well. Let me just complete that, okay? I will check that as well. So for that, what we are going to do, I want the range from 3 to 30 now. So range, start from 3, end at 31. End at 31 and take a gap of 3 and take a step of 3. Just do that. Pass that inside the list and print it. You will get your solution. See? Clear, everyone? Clear with all the questions? And now, Saswat, let me check yours. Import random 150% to. Yeah, that is also okay, Saswat. Let me just try running that as well so that I will get the clearer picture. Yeah, it's correct only, Saswat. Very good. That is also fine. Yeah, it is correct only. As I've told you guys multiple times before also, one code you guys can do it in multiple ways. One code you guys can do it multiple ways. Oh, sorry, I didn't saw that. I didn't saw that. If random dot rand int 150% 2 is equal to 0, print the number. It is becoming a little lengthy actually. So just do one thing, no? Instead of that, just put it inside this. It will become easier for you as well. It is becoming a little lengthy right now. See, now it is working fine, no?
Ma'am, can you explain that percentage 2 equals to 0 that we forgot? Sorry, ma'am.
That is remainder. Percentage means remainder, modulus in Python. So it means the number which I am going to get randomly from here, if it is divisible by 2, if I'm dividing that number by 2 and I'm getting my answer as 0, that means it is an even number. Okay?
Remainder you mean, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
remainder is 0, that means it is an even number, no? Because
Fine,
I'm
ma'am.
dividing it by 2, that means it's even. Most welcome, Saswat. Okay, I have one more question, I guess. Difference between the slice and remove. In both cases, we remove the item. In slice, now, Meenakshi, we are not removing it from the actual list. We are taking a sub list out of it. It is not removing from the actual list, but in removing in pop and delete, it is actually getting removed from the actual list. Okay, Meenakshi? In slicing, we are taking a subset out, but we are not removing it from the actual list. But in removing, it is getting removed totally. Okay, Meenakshi? Everyone clear till this point? Everyone clear till this point?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
just a second, huh, Nitish? Just a second. What happened? Yeah, import random. It's correct only, no? It's correct only. But you do not have to do it again and again as range. Just put a new number inside it, no? Because you have already given it. Just put a new number inside that already range that you are doing. And you are using rand range. Instead of that, you have to use rand. You have to use only range over here. Because I want the whole range, no? Only range you have to use. Okay? Okay, Nitish? Thank you for helping me, Saswat. I'm sending you this right code also. You can try it on your own as well. That code was also correct. What you were doing now, here you were taking correct, here you were taking range, but here you were taking planned range. But you only have to take the range. Okay? Okay, everyone. Now tell me, should I start with the part number 4 now? Can I start
Yes,
with part
ma'am.
number 4 now? Okay, great. Okay, guys. So today's topic The first topic which we are going to learn today is going to be for loop with break and continue statements. For loop with break and continue statement. So what is for loop first of all? What is this for loop first of all? So guys, for loop now, it is a way to repeat a task multiple times in programming. Multiple times in programming. It is a way to repeat a task multiple times in a structured manner. Instead of manually repeating the same action, or instead of writing the same code again and again. The for loop automatically runs it for every item in a list, range of numbers or other collection. Range of numbers or other collections. It is a for loop which is going to help you in the automate repetition. For example, I am having a simple analogy also over here, handing out chocolates. Imagine you are giving chocolates to every student in a classroom. Instead of calling each student one by one and giving them a chocolate like student 1, here's your chocolate, student 2, here's yours, student 3, here's yours. You can just walk through the classroom and hand a chocolate to every student using a loop, no? That will be much easier for you also. It will save the time as well. Just think about it, guys. You are calling each student at your desk as a just think about it as a teacher. As a teacher, you're calling each and every student at your desk and then giving them the chocolate. Or the second scenario is you yourself going to each and everyone's desk and giving them a chocolate. Which one will take less time? Which one will take less time? First scenario or second scenario?
Second.
Second scenario, no? You are not repeating the thing again and again, right? In second scenario, you are not repeating the one thing again and again, no? So this is one of the main point why we use loops to save the time. We use loop to save the time. Instead of writing the same code for every item, you loop through all the items. When you need repetition, if a task needs to be done many times, a for loop makes it easier. And to work with the collections like lists, dictionaries, or range of numbers. We will do it one by one, okay? And now, when to use this for loop? When to use this for loop, guys? Now, guys, use a for loop when you need to go through all elements in a list, like a shopping cart or a list of emails. You want to repeat an action a specific number of times, and you need to process items in bulk, like sending notifications or printing receipts. So from these 3 points, I can say like that, you have to use for loop when you know how many times a task needs to be repeated. When you already know about it, how many times a task is need to be repeated. Are you all clear with the theoretical part? Is everyone clear with the theoretical part? Sudha, Arpan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That means what you are telling that if 30 students are there in a class, you are giving a book to everybody. That you know that you have to give it to the 30 students.
Yes, I already know that 30 times I have to perform the same task.
Yeah. So that for that reason we have to use for loop.
Yes. Okay, so now let's do some examples. So first example I am having, guys, sending personalized emails. Sending the personalized emails. So you run a small business and you want to send thank you emails to your customers after their purchase. So what you are going to do? Let's take a list of customers first. Let me take your names in the customers list. Ankita, Zulekha, Okay, let it be. Only 4 students are enough for now. So this is my list of the customers. Now, 4 is a keyword, guys. 4 is a keyword. Take any desired name, whatever you want to take. Take any desired name. You can take it as I, A, B, C, D, customer, anything. That depends upon you. Whatever you want to take, you can take it over here. Let me make it very, very simple. I will just take I. Make sure you guys are going to take this letters only. Don't take numbers. Okay, just make sure of that. In. The list name is customers. In is also a keyword. For I, now what this I is going to do, guys, this I now, I in customers, this I is going to represent each and every individual item present in my list. Present in my list customers. Now, put a colon. Colon is very, very important. Print. Yes, I you can say as a variable name. No, I is not for increment. It is a variable name. It is kind of a representation for my whole list. It is kind of a representation. It is going to represent each and every element present in my list. Okay. And one by one, I'm going to loop over it. I'm just going to take it like F, dear, customer with the help of F string. Now here, customers are present inside this list customers, but
we have to put I, right?
yes, we have to put I, because inside this loop, I is going to give me the name for each and every customer, because with the help of I am looping on that customer's list. Thank you for your purchase. An exclamation mark, just run this and you guys can see the answer. Dear Sudha, thank you for your purchase. Dear Arpan, dear Ankita, dear Zulekha. 4 times this loop is working. And I already know that it is going to work 4 times because only 4 members are there in my list. 4 customers are there in my list. So I already knew 4 times it is going to work. Is this thing clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. So instead of I, you can put any alphabeticals. Like for example, I, S, something
Let
else.
me just put Sudha only. Let me put your name only. But right now, it is working because I have already run that. But I have to make it over here also. I have to make the change over here that also. See, working now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are correct, Saswat. So Saswat is saying, I understood. His customer is a set full of customers and I is the variable that represents each one from the list of customers. Because it is a list. For list, we use only square brackets. Okay, Durga? Any doubts in this example, guys? Any doubts? I will explain it 2 or 3 times more also, but let me know if there is any doubt. I'm going to take today's class very slow.
Can we take same variable?
You want customers?
Yes.
Yes, you can take. But I would suggest to not get confused. Don't take the same. At least remove a S. At least remove a S. Okay? To not get confused. Okay, Nitesh?
Yeah, so it's the same new variable under 4.
Yes. But to not get confused, every time I take I only. I is the simplest variable. I always take I. Yes, in other languages you have to do that, but Python is much simpler than that, right? In Python now, we will do that as well. Don't worry, Zulekha, we will do that as well. But the format which you have given, that is C++. The format is going to get changed. and in the most simplest way possible. You will see it over here now. Next, let's do a next example like that only. Okay, let's do next
And
example like that only.
can we use numbers instead of that
Yes,
custom
yes,
mark?
you can. The
Okay.
number as a in letters you can take like this. You can take, but if you want like this 8, you can see I'm getting a red line. Red lines means error. Okay. Yes, you have to add a list every time. On the list only you are going to loop, no? I will let you guys other things as well, but one by one we will learn about them. Right now, as we have learned about list, so on list we are going to loop.
So in list, can we add some example of integer, float, and boolean?
Yes, yes, yes. We have done that yesterday. No, list can include everything.
Okay,
We have
fine,
done
fine.
that yesterday. Okay. Now I am having the example for you guys. Yeah, calculating total marks for the students. You are a teacher now. I'm going to calculate your marks. Let me take marks as 45, 56, 78. 5 and 6 that will be very less. Take 90. This is the marks which I am having. If there is a number, do we have to add all the numbers or just have to give range? See, I guess you're getting confused. See, Zulekha, if I will put any number also over here, it will then also work. Tier 89, thank you for your purchase. Then also it will work. So here now I'm taking a list beforehand. Range function also I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, just 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm here I want to add now, according to this example, I am going to calculate the total marks. So I want to add all of them together, right? So just see the example first. Okay. So I am going to initialize total as 0. I'm going to initialize total as 0. That is very, very important whenever you guys are doing any calculation over there in loops. Now, 4. Let's take mark. In marks list, colon, total is equals to dynamic typing, guys. Total, which is 0 plus mark. One by one, the mark will get added. I will show you guys also how it is working. Come out of the loop and print total. You will get your answer. So now how it is working? First of all, total is equal to total plus mark. So total is 0 right now. Plus first element 45. Now total became 45. And my loop is still working because I am having again some elements are pending now. So now 45 is the total. 45 plus 56. Whatever will be, that will become the new total. And that will again get added plus 78. That will become new total. Again plus 43. That will become new total. Plus 90. That will become new total. And at the end, now my list is done. Now my list is done. I will get my answer. Let me show you guys one thing more. If I will do this print total between the loop also. If I will do it between the loop as well. You guys can see each and every part. First of all, first total is becoming 45. Then it is becoming 101. Then 179. Then 222. Then 312. And at the end, answer is also 312. Because Sastra, if I will not initialize, no, let me just not initialize. How will I add the mark? If I will not initialize, how will I add the marks? In which thing I will add the mark in my list? So for that particular purpose, I have to initialize the total as 0 first. Okay? And if I will take any other number, so my total will not be correct. No? So
Ma'am,
only 0.
Ma'am, 1 minute. If you're
Yes,
going
yes.
to take the square bracket and put the normal bracket and then print total marks, then it is going to print it as a total mark, right?
Sorry, I didn't got it.
No, we are not going to put the loop. If you want to get a total of that one, then we can put the print total marks, right?
You do not want to show that.
Okay, okay,
Because
okay.
you don't want to show that. I'm asking.
Yes,
Actually.
yes, I'm asking like that. Yeah.
Then just don't do the sprint total over here. Now run it. Okay, I
Okay,
am
fine,
just showing you guys that how the process is working inside the loop with that.
Okay, fine, fine, ma'am.
Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question.
Yes, yes, ask.
You have already given total is equal to 0.
Yes.
And again, you have written the same variable total is equal to total plus marks. So there won't come any errors.
Dynamic typing. Week 1, session number 1. Last topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Dynamic typing. Okay. At the end, whatever will be the value present in that variable, that will get printed. That is dynamic typing in Python. Clear, Ramya?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Any doubts till this point, anyone? Yes, you guys can write like that as well, Zulekha. That depends upon you. Now, guys, we are having example number 3. Generating and processing order IDs with a for loop. With a for loop. Now, guys, you run an online store and need to generate and process order IDs for the next 10 orders. Each order contains a specific item and you want to print both the order ID and the item being processed. So, now how you're going to do it? Let's take the orders list first of all. T-shirt. You guys also give me some names so that it will become easier for me also. I want a big list to show you guys. You also give me some things to put inside it, na? Hat, watch, anything coming into your mind, guys?
Sneakers.
Yeah, sneakers. Next. Let me check the chat box as well. Ties, chain, jacket, belt. Okay. Ties, chain, jacket, belt. How much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more.
Bread.
Bread. Okay. Okay. 10 would be enough. Okay. Guys, I'm getting a WhatsApp message from Zaida in the group. Can you guys please acknowledge over there? You guys must have got the WhatsApp message from Zaida. Just acknowledge it. Yes, as yes or no. Okay, so what I was saying, I have got my list now. So now what I have to do, I am going to get each and every specific item, and you want to print both the order ID and the item being processed. Okay, both things I want to print now. So I want to print order ID and the item. So for order ID, I am taking this order ID. I'm taking one more thing. Two things I want to generate now. Two things. Second is item. Item in. I'm going to use zip function. Zip function. Inside that, I'm going to use range function. I want the range to come from 1 to 11 because 10. Inside that only comma orders. So guys, what is happening over here in this line? So I want order ID and items both. So items I am having Items I'm having, but I want the order ID as well. Order ID as well in the starting. So I want two things one by one. So how I will do it? I will take two things, order ID and item. Item, it is going to happen from here, and order ID I will get from this range. Okay, but how to make them both together? How to convert both of them together? That zip function will do. That zip function will do. Yes. First of all, the number, like it is going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, number will show, and then the order, then this thing. Each and every item. 1, t-shirt. 2nd, jeans. 3rd, hat. Like this, it will be shown. Let me show you guys that as well. And also we can change the range. It's not like I just want this. Let me just change it from 1000 to like 1011. So now let's just print F order ID and item. As you guys can see that order ID is coming and then item is coming. Yes, zip is used to show all together. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this? Let me just add a little description for you guys as well. See guys, I have added a little description. It generates order IDs, and zip is going to combine the order IDs with the list of items so that they can be processed together, and for loop is going to print both of them. 10 times only, because 10 items are only there in the list. And here range also I'm taking 10 only, no? 1000 to 1011.
Ma'am, in
Starting
the
from
list only
1000.
it has to, list only it starts from 0, right? For the range, it starts from 1.
Sorry.
Oh.
Range also it starts from 0 only. If I am not taking anything, I'm just taking 11, let's say. I'm just taking 11. Not 11, sorry, 10. It will start from 0 until 9 it will go. Okay, so the by default starts from 0 only.
Okay.
Let me just show you guys. Let's say 100. Then what it is going to do, it is just going to take all those items only which is present over here in the list. In list there are 10 items, so 10 times only it is going to work. No matter my range is more. It takes 1000. Then let me take 1, 21 and 2. I will take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Step 2. Okay? Okay, Meenakshi? Any kind of range you guys can use over here. But just remember that it is only going to work only for the 10 items, because in my list only 10 items are there. Yes, someone was saying something.
So zip acting as a concatenate, right?
Yes, you guys can say like that because it is combining, so you guys can say like that.
So can we type concatenate? It will
No. Concatenate, it is going to work on the strings. I am having one as integer and other as string. It will not work. Concatenate only works on both strings. Okay, Nitesh? Yes, Meenakshi. Stop is needed to define.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Subhadeep.
Yeah, can you please explain the logic inside the range function?
Inside the range function, what I'm doing, I'm taking 1. It is going to start from 1. Okay, starting 1. Ending
Yeah,
21, that is going to get skipped. So because it will get ended at 20. And I'm taking step as 2. So starting from 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19.
Okay, got it.
Okay. But what if I will
Yeah.
take a range as less? Now see. Now both will work together. If range is more, then there is no problem. Then there is no problem. It is going to work only for the 10 times. But if I am giving range as list, so the range is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times only range is getting produced, so 7 items only are going to get processed.
So instead of range, can we use random ram int?
Rand int.
Yes.
Give me a moment. But for rand int, only one number will be produced. Na? Range, the whole range will not get produced.
So random range we can use.
No, random range also only one item will come from the whole range. That is why we are using range, no?
Okay.
Okay, Nitesh? Zip function basically we use in the loops only, Aishwarya. Zip function basically we only use for the loops. And basically we use that inside this for loop only where I want to join 2 or 3 things together. Okay, Aishwarya? Just now I answered for your question for that question also, Ankita. With rand int, what I'm going to get, I'm just going to get one number, but I want the whole list. That is why I'm using range function over here. Yeah, we are going to use it again and again now because it got introduced now. Now we are going to use it again and again in our sessions. Okay, Soumya? Now can I move forward, guys? If we not use zip, though, we can just do one thing, either order ID or either orders. I can't print both of them together. Okay, Meenakshi? Now should I move forward, guys, or is there still any doubts?
So if we need to print order ID or employee ID in a sequence, we need to take
Get the
only,
range?
yeah, we have to take range, right? Range
Yes,
function.
yes,
There's
yes,
no other
yes.
option, right?
No.
Mhm.
And Ankita, rand int a and b. Yes, B is the end. I agree with that, but from that, I am not getting the whole range. Now I am getting randomly one number only from it. Okay, Ankita?
Okay, got it. Because this will print only random one number,
Yes,
whether it
yes,
is,
yes,
yes. So we can use
yes. We can use what?
list here also, right? List.
Yeah, list you guys can use. What you
Okay.
guys do, just give me a second. Let me show you guys in another cell. Same thing I'm taking. Let me show you here. List is equal, not list is predefined, sorry. A is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any number, but that should be same, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So instead of range, just put A. It will zip both of them together. Clear? Vivek, let me just complete this part. I will send this file link. Clear, Nitesh? I hope your answer is clear now. Your question is clear?
Yes. If we have predefined number, we can use list. If we,
Yes.
don't want to
If you have
predefine number.
predefined, use that particular thing, particular variable name. Otherwise, just use a range. Okay? Great. Now, guys, let's talk about break statement in Python. Now, in simple words, now, break is used to stop a loop immediately. Break is used to stop the loop immediately. When the break is executed, loop exits right away. And even if there are still more items to process, it is going to exit no matter what. If there is break in a statement, it is going to exit. So break statement basically, it is used inside the loops to stop the loop immediately when a certain condition is met. Let's say I'm having a list which is containing 10 numbers. but I want to stop my loop after first 5 numbers only. After first 5 numbers only. So I will just put one condition inside it and put break. So the moment first 5 numbers will get printed, it is going to stop. It is going to stop and come out, and my loop is not going to work after that because my condition is now met. That is break statement in Python. And break is also a keyword, guys. Think of it like this. If you are looking for your friend in a list of names, as soon as you find your friend's name, you stop searching and leave now. There is no need to go through the rest of the names after finding what you were looking for. So the same thing is going to happen with the help of break statement. We use it when you want to stop a loop early as soon as the condition is met, and when further processing is unnecessary once the goal is achieved, to improve the efficiency by preventing the unnecessary iterations. So, clear with the theory part? Clear with the theory part? Everyone? Great. So let's do an example. Example number 4 I am having, checking inventory in a warehouse. Imagine you are managing a warehouse and you want to check if a specific product, let's say laptop, is available in a list of products. You need to stop the search as soon as the product is found. A for loop with break is perfect for the situation because it lets you exit the loop immediately after finding the item and saving the time. So let's take an item. Let me just get this list only now. Why to create a list again and again? Okay. So let's just take search
Ma'am, we have to put a
is
laptop
equal
somewhere,
to,
right?
huh? Sorry?
It shows
Yeah,
that
yeah, here laptop no. So let me just take laptop also somewhere. As I was not going through this, I was just showing you guys the example with my own only. So don't worry, let me just put the laptop. Okay, I put the laptop somewhere. Now, input. Enter the product you are looking for. User input. Now, for user loop. For I in orders. For I in orders. If I is equals to search. If I is equals to search. Print F product found. Just add I, stopping search. Stopping search. After that, put the break statement. But if it will not be equals, what I will do? Else statement. If, sorry, search item is not available. Available in list. Just put that. Now guys, if I will run this, tell me, enter the product you are looking for. Enter the product you are looking for. Watch. What I'm getting, sorry, watch is not available in the list. Why? Case sensitive. Watch. You guys can see case sensitive is case sensitivity is here. So how I can prevent this case sensitivity? With the help of lower function. Now if I am going to put watch again, what I'm getting, sorry, watch is not available, sorry, watch is not available, product found, watch, stop searching. For first three, I'm getting not available. But for the last one, I'm getting at the fourth place, I'm getting that watch is available, stop searching. So this is how it works. This is how this works. And the moment it got found, it got break. It got break. After that, it is not even checking the loop. So this is what break statement do in Python. Is everyone clear?
So we can also give a lower function in input line, right?
Yes, there also I can do. Just here, I will here remove it then. And it will work fine. Let me take a name laptop. See? Okay?
Okay.
Clear now? Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Any questions?
Can you go up a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. If I
Yes, you're correct, Saswat. Is there any doubt?
So we have to write the
Yes, they're
break
not
there.
putting. Yes,
We
break
have to-
you have to put. And Meenakshi is asking me if I'm not putting sorry input over here. Let's say watch. You can see product found. It is just going to do product found. Others, it is not even going to search. It is just giving me product found. Okay, Meenakshi? If break is not there, laptop, at the point where it is available, there it will print that. Otherwise, others also it will print but. Okay.
what if we don't need these lines, not available lines, only we need the laptop search.
Then don't put else. Then don't put else. If you don't want to do that, then don't print else statement. Okay. And one question more is there, at what position also we can find out. How we can find it out? Let me just show you. Here I am just adding at position. Just put index plus 1. Just put index plus 1. And here I'm going to add one more thing over here. Give me a moment. Okay. So both I have to do the zip only over here, or enumerate function will work. But enumerate I haven't taught you guys till now, so I'm not going to show you guys that as well. You guys can do it. Just use the index function. Index function also you guys can use. I've taught you guys about the index function yesterday, na? I guess Vivek asked me that question. I've taught you guys about the index function yesterday, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you guys can use that to get the index.
Means it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3 number. It has to go in a positive indexing or negative indexing.
Yes, yes, yes. Any other questions? Any other questions on break statement, anyone? Okay, great. So now guys, we are having this continue statement in Python. So now what is continue statement? In simple words, the continue statement is used inside a loop to skip the current iteration and move to the next one. Now in break, what was happening? It is breaking the whole loop. Product found, it is not even considering others. But here, the condition is met, it is going to skip that particular one and going to continue with the others. That is continue statement. Like if you're distributing candies to a group of kids, but some kids already have candy. When you find a kid who already has candy, you skip giving them candy and move on to the next kid. The continue statement in a loop works the same way. It skips the rest of the code for that item and moves on to the next item on the list and moves on to the next item in the list. Why do we use it? Yes, you're correct, Saswat. When you want to skip processing some items in a list based on a condition. When only certain items need extra processing and others can be ignored to save time by skipping unnecessary steps. Clear with the theory part? Clear with the theory part? Yes, Samya. For the part the condition is going to getting satisfied, that part it is going to skip and others it is going to continue as same. Everyone is clear? Any doubts in the definition part, theory part? Okay, great. So let's do the example for it now. So I am having an example using continue in a for loop. Using continue in a for loop. Imagine you manage a fruit store and you need to check which fruits require labeling. Short name fruits less than 6 letters do not need a label. So once identified, you just skip further steps for them. Long name fruits which are having 6 letters or more, they do need labeling and must go through the further processing like printing a label. Using the continue statement allows you to skip the extra steps for the short name fruits. So how we are going to do it? Let me just create a list of fruits quickly. Apple. Give me the fruits name, guys. Kiwi, pineapple, banana, dragon fruit, strawberry. That would be enough. Okay, so this is my list. Now, first of all, for I in this list only fruits. If how to get the length of each fruit with the help of length function, len. Inside that, pass I. So what will happen? Length function, it is going to take the length of each and every element now. First of all, it is going to check the length of the apple, that how many letters are present in this apple word. Then kiwi, then pineapple, and so on. Okay. So now my question says if it is less than 6, print f skipping label for short named fruit. I. Continue. Now guys, what is going to happen? If my condition will get satisfied, this line will get printed, right? And after that, I'm using, sorry,
we have to use else.
I'm telling you guys this part. Okay, I'm not going to use else this time. So I'm using continue statement. So what continue is going to do, it is going to skip further steps for short named fruits. Okay. After that, guys, what is going to happen? I'm going to come out of this if loop. I'm going to come out of this if statement and I'm just going to print f printing label for long named fruits. And after that, I'm going to come out of the for loop as well and just printing all fruits processed. Now, see the magic. Skipping label for short named fruit, apple. Skipping label for the short named fruit, kiwi. After that, printing label for long named fruit. All the long named fruits are coming, and then all fruits processed. All fruits processed.
So which are the food process, long level or short level?
Short ones, so we are skipping.
Okay.
We are just going to print this one. If I'm not using this print statement, let's suppose I'm not using this print statement now. Now see, I'm not even getting the apple and kiwi fruit. So where the condition will get satisfied, that part will not be the part of my output. Others will be the part of my output. That is continuous statement. So Zulekha, what is happening over here now? So I am having this list over here. So this I want, if the letter, if the fruit is having the if the fruit is having less than 6 letters, then though I am going to skip it. But if it is having more than 6 letters, then I am going to give it a label. Okay, let me just add some things more. Let me add cherry. Cherry is 5 word only. Any other fruit which is less than 6 words, guys? Lychee is 6. Yeah, is equal to, so I'm not using no. Lychee. Run this again. Only less than 6 it is working. Only less than 6 it will work. Yeah, mango and chiku I can take. I can just do it like this. Mango, chiku. Just see. All the words which are 6 or more than 6 are getting printed. Others are all getting skipped. Others are all getting skipped because this condition is getting satisfied over there, and in this condition I'm printing continue.
So why chiku is coming, mango is not coming?
Because chiku and mango are having less than 6 words, no? They're having less than 6 words. They're
Okay.
not going to come. 6 or more than 6 are going to come. Zulekha, are you clear? Zulekha? You guys can try it out. You guys can try it out with else also, but here else was not needed, so I didn't printed that. You can try it with else also, Aishwarya. That's not the issue. As I have told you guys earlier as well, one type of code can be written in multiple ways in Python. Yes, I'm not using is equals to. Only less than 6 will get removed, but other 6 or more than 6 will get printed.
That means if you're going to put greater than 6, that includes 6 also, right?
Yes, yes. If I will put is equal to 6, it will see. Now, only strawberry, dragon fruit, and pineapple is coming. Other fruits are not coming. Banana has 6 letters, it is not coming if I'm putting is equals to over here. Okay, Zulekha?
If we put this equal to means that 6 is eliminated, right?
Yes, 6 1 is also eliminated. Should I move forward, guys?
So if we keep more than greater than 6, then what will come?
Like this?
Yes.
The fruits will come which are less than 6 now.
Okay.
Okay? Just the quite opposite will happen, no? Now I'm changing this. Okay? Yes, Meenakshi, you're correct. Now, guys, I'm having one more example for all of you. That is a real world example. Skipping out of stock items in a shopping cart. Let's say you're managing a shopping cart on an e-commerce website. Some of the items in the cart are out of stock, and you want to process only the available items while skipping the out of stock ones using the continue statement. We use unnecessary items and print the processed ones clearly. So, how I'm going to do that? First of all, let's create a cart. Guys, anyone unmute and let me know all the things quickly, no? So that it will be easier for me. Anyone? Don't put in the chat, just let me know.
T-shirt, jeans,
Okay,
trouser,
okay. Let me just put one thing as out of stock as well. Give me a moment, huh? Jeans, trouser.
so socks.
Okay. Okay, that would be enough. Let me put one more item as out of stock. Let's put stocks only. Okay, list is done. Deliberately, I have took the out of stock, guys. Now, for I in cart. If out of stock is present in I. If out of stock in I. If out of stock in I. Print skipping the item. Or if you do you want to print anything for the skipped items, or you guys don't want to print anything for the skipped items? Tell me. Accordingly, I will do. No need? Okay. Then only one thing I need to do, continue. Just continue. Come out of if, print, F, processing, I. Run it. T-shirt, jeans, trouser, because both the other things are out of stock. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear with this example?
Ma'am, how many spaces we have to give from start, ma'am? For example, cot is going to be on the same. For statement starts from that, the next one is going to be the 4 spaces, or how exactly we have to put it?
I sorry, I didn't got you. Sudha, can you please
No,
repeat
how
again?
much? See, for example, if you're going to start with the for statement, so we put that exactly on the
One
same
space is
place.
enough. One space is enough.
Then you
Here,
have
if
to
you
put the
will see
2
now,
space and continue, right?
only one is enough. Just
Okay. For
space is
continue?
important. Continue
Okay.
also one is enough.
Okay, fine.
Okay, great. Let me just make it like before only. Yeah. So guys, with that, our part number 4 is completed. If there is any doubts in the whole part, please do let me know, guys. Any doubts in the part number 4, anyone? Yes, sir. It is that only. So, let me do one thing. I am giving you guys a quick recap, and if you guys will feel like any topic, any doubt, you guys let me know. So we learned about what is for loop. What is for loop? When do we use a for loop? And we learned about multiple examples with the help of for loop. We learned about zip function as well. We learned about break statement. We learned about continue statement. So if there is any doubts in any concept, just let me know. I can understand your point of view, TJ. Sometimes that happens with me as well when I'm working. Don't worry, I'm there on WhatsApp now. Let me know if there will be any doubts. Or otherwise, Wednesday is going to be doubt clearing only. So guys, any doubts in part number 4? Any doubts in part number 4? Anyone? Yes, Minakshi. Yes, I'm sending the notebook and then I'm giving you guys a short break now. Okay, guys, I have sent you all the notebook and now we will take a 5-minute break. At exact 9:50, we will start again. Okay? Now I will be on mute. Take a 5-minute of break. Zulekha, just check this out. Their spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong, no? O should be ball. Now see. The same thing which you are taking over here, that you have to put here. Okay, Zulekha? Great. Most welcome. But Saswat, what is going to happen now? The same thing which you are putting over here, that should be there only. So instead of lower function, just copy it from there, no? Okay, everyone, breaks over. Okay, everyone, breaks over. Attribute is a function only. It is saying that there is no function named as lower for the list. Okay, that's what attribute means function only. There is no function for the list. On list, I can't apply that function. It is saying that. There is a function in Python. It is not, but it is not like you can apply it anywhere. At some specific areas only you can apply. Okay. Yes. You're correct. Okay, now guys, let's start with our next part. That is now while loop with break and continue. Now using break in while loop, using continue in while loop. Now, what is a while loop? A while loop is a type of loop in programming that repeats a block of code as long as condition is true. So in for loop, we already knew how many times the loop is going to work, but in while loop, we do not know it beforehand. Until the condition is true, it is going to run. The moment condition becomes false, it is not going to work. It is going to get ended. That is while loop. It checks the condition before running the code each time and keeps looping until the condition becomes false. Think of it like this. If you are waiting in a queue for your turn at a ticket counter, you keep standing. Okay, what I was saying? So think of it like this. If you are waiting in a queue for your turn at a ticket counter, you keep standing in the line now while you will get your turn. And the moment you will get your turn, for you, the queue is finished. That is only while loop. So when and why a while loop is used? When you do not know exactly how many items a task needs to be repeated. When the number of iterations depends upon condition rather than a fixed number. And when the loop should keep running until a certain event or a condition is met. Now, how is this different from the for loop? Because it is used when you know exactly how many times you want to run the code, like iterating over a list. But while loop, use it when the end condition is not known upfront. You don't know how many times you're going to run it, and you need to keep repeating until a specific condition becomes false. That is your while loop. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear with the theoretical part? While loop is the loop which we are going to use when I don't know how many times my iteration is going to work. Okay, Zuleka? Until my condition is true, it will work. Moment it will become false, it will stop working. That is your while loop. Now, let's do an example. Testing a chatbot sending personalized greetings. Testing a chatbot sending personalized greetings. So scenario is you are testing a chatbot that sends a personalized greeting. Hi there, welcome to our service. Your goal is to limit the greeting to 6 times. You use a while loop to send a message repeatedly until the counter reaches 6. Until the counter reaches 6. So what we are going to do? I am going to initialize the spam first of all. I am initializing the counter is equals to 0. Okay. While is also again a keyword. While spam is less than 6. Because here you guys can see your goal is to your goal is to limit the greeting to 6 times. You use a while loop to send the message repeatedly until the counter reaches 6. Until the counter reaches 6. So unless it is less than 6, my condition is true. Call it. Now, print just the message, hi there, welcome to our service. Let's just say that. Welcome to our service, and just put spam is equal to spam plus 1. Now, if I will run this, I'm getting it exactly 6 times. So why? How it is happening? So first of all, spam is equal to 0. 0 is less than 6. 0 is less than 6. True. Yes, it is less than 6. So it got printed. Now, spam 0 plus 1. Now spam became 1. It again went there. Now 1 is again less than 6. Again it got run. True. It again got printed. Similarly, now 1 plus 1, 2. Again it is less than 6. Got printed. Again 3 less than 6 got printed. 4 less than 6 got printed. 5 less than 6 got printed. But now it became 6. Now 6 is not less than 6. So my loop will get break now and it stops here. This is my while loop. Is everyone clear now? Is everyone clear now? Any doubts in this example? Anyone?
So if we add plus 2, so it will increase by 2, right?
Yes. See, only 3 times it is getting printed now. Because 0, then it is becoming 2, and then it is becoming 2 plus 2, 4. And at 6, so it will not work because 6 is not less than 6.
So why we are giving print above, not below?
Print above, not below.
Yeah, below spam
Because
equal to.
because I'm taking my initializer as 0 now. Because if I will do it like that, for 0 it will not work. For 0 it will not work then.
Okay.
Let me show also. Right now it's already got worked now, so it will not work again. Okay, no problem. No problem, but yeah, the reason is this only because if I will do it logically, if I will see right now for 0 it is getting printed, but if spam will be first, it will become 1. No, 0 will become 1. For 1 it will get printed.
Okay.
Yes, that's what you're correct. Okay, clear? Go through this explanation, guys. At least one time statement is executed. Yes, Meenakshi, yes. And Navya, are you clear? Navya, are you clear with this loop? Navya? No? So what is happening now, Navya? I'm taking a initializer as 0 first of all. Now I'm just taking while. While is a keyword. While is a keyword. Now spam less than 6 because this is what I want my condition to be. Now 0 is less than 6, so it got printed. Now it is becoming 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is again less than 6, again will get printed. 2 again, 3 again, 4 again, 5 again. But the moment it became 6, Now 6 is not less than 6, no? So my loop got break and this is the answer I am getting. Okay, clear now? Yes, you're correct, Saswat. Should I move forward, guys? Should I move forward, guys? Navya, clear? Navya? Is she there? No, I guess she's having network issue again. She left the meet. Okay, no problem. Okay, so example number 2 I'm having, that is countdown before launching a rocket. Countdown before launching a rocket. So imagine you are developing a rocket launch system and you need to perform a countdown from 10 to 0 before the rocket takes off. During the countdown, you want to print a motivational message at each step to build excitement. The while loop will help you to repeat the message until the countdown reaches 0. How? Let's see. Let me take the count as 10 this time because this count now it is going to go backward now. So I'm going to take the backward initializer this time. Okay? Because backward 10, 9, 8, 7, like that countdown is going to do. So that is how I'm going to take it. While count is greater than 0, greater than is equal to 0, it is going to work. Just print f t minus count second get ready for launch. And this time, because I am taking the initializer 10, I am having the initializer 10 and I want it to get reduced. So instead of plus, what I'm going to do it as count is equal to count minus 1. Instead of plus, I will do minus this time. And if I will run this, I am getting my answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is how my loop is working. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? No problem, Navya. Now tell me, are you clear? Most welcome, Navya. Saswat, you want to print a specific message for 0? Use if statement inside it. Use if statement inside it. Just do like that. If count is equal to 0, then do like that. Print launch is about to begin. Otherwise, get ready to launch. See? For 0, now I'm getting launch is about to begin. Clear, everyone? Most welcome, Saswat. Clear, everyone? Any doubts till this point? Great. Now, guys, I am having another example for all of you. secret number guessing game. Can we also able to give delay in print? I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Vivek, what you are asking? I didn't get it. What did you ask? Yes, Vivek, tell me now.
I mean that, ma'am, the print first print and like that 10 seconds first print, then it take 1 second, 2 second gap, then print 9 seconds like that.
Oh, you want it to take time to print?
Yes, ma'am.
For that, we are having a predefined modules. We will learn that in our advanced weeks. Right now, we are still on the basic weeks. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
We will learn about that as well. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now, guys, secret number guessing game. Imagine you are designing a simple number guessing game for the users. Now, the goal is to guess a secret number. In this case, the secret number is 7. The user will keep trying until they enter the correct number. If the guess is incorrect, they will receive a message asking them to try again. If the guess is correct, they win the game. So now, let me just put the secret number. Let me just put it as A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. Guess is equal to 0. Print, welcome to the guessing game. I am going to run this while guess is not is equals to S. While guess is not is equals to the secret number. Sorry, A I am taking a secret number. While guess is not is equals to A, I'm going to run this. Okay. Guess is equals to int input guess the secret number. Now, if guess will be is equals to A, then print congratulations, you guess the correct number, else print incorrect, just try again. And after that, come out of the while loop and just print end of the game. Thanks for playing. Now, if I will run this, okay, guess the secret number. Guess the secret number. 4. Try again. 12. Try again. Now, if I am putting 7, congratulations, you guessed the correct number. End of the game. Thanks for playing. It is starting from 0, initializing. I'm just initializing it. If you want to count the number of guesses, that also you can do with the help of it now. Okay, Soumya? Great. Everyone clear till this point? Any doubts? Anyone? Because the point is, why I'm taking 0? Because my guess can't be 0. My guess can't be 0. And also, A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. Unless until it is, why I'm taking guess is not is equal to A now. That means it is going to run unless until guess is not is equal to 7. The moment it will become 7, that time loop will work and the other time loop is going to stop. Loop is going to stop. Is it clear now? Is it clear now, Saswat? Great. Now, guys, next example I'm having for all of you. unlocking a treasure chest with a secret word. Now imagine you're creating a game scenario where the player must unlock a magical treasure chest by entering the correct secret word. Now the chest will only open if the player says the magic phrase, "Open sesame." The player can keep trying until they get the correct phrase. So how we are going to create this now? Just print, "Welcome to the magical treasure chest." Print, you need to say the secret word to open the chest. Now, while true, while true, it is going to run until the correct secret password is entered. While true means it is going to run until the secret password is entered. Just get a password is equal to input, enter the secret password, and if the password is equal to open sesame, congratulations, you have unlocked the treasure chest. Break, else incorrect password, try again. Why I'm using break? To exit the loop once the correct word is entered. Exit the loop once the correct answer or password is entered. Now let's run this. Welcome to the magical treasure chest. You need to say the secret word to open the chest. Tell me the secret word. Tell me the secret word. Tell me the secret word, guys. Open peanuts. Incorrect password, try again. Incorrect. Let me also put something. Abracadabra. No. Khulja Simsim. It is also not working. So now if I will put open sesame only, it is going to work, and congratulations, you have unlocked the treasure closet. Yes, yes, Soumya. Is everyone clear with this example? Is everyone clear with this example? Any doubts? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
yes,
we write
yes.
like that before, like what you told that like A equal to open sesame, okay? Guess
Hmm.
equal to A, while guess like is not equal to A.
Yes,
Like
yes,
the
yes.
same way
Like
how
that
we
also
wrote
you
like
guys
this,
can
we
do.
can write it, right?
Same way you guys can do.
So that
It's
means
just
instead
that
of
I'm telling you
integer,
guys. Sorry.
we are not supposed to put the integer there, right? We have to put that as an only input.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
because string is there, no?
Yeah, that's what I told. We are not supposed to put the integer there. We have
Yes,
to
yes,
put that
yes,
as input, guess the secret number.
yes, yes, yes,
If guess equal to A, then print congratulations, your guess is correct. That's
yes,
it. Or
yes,
else print incorrect guess. Try
yes,
again.
yes, yes. You're correct. Nitish, you want to say something?
What true is doing? What is the work of true here? While true.
That is what I have written. It is going to run until the secret password is entered. That is, you can say the short form. Okay. If you only want to attempt 3 times, then you have to give the attempts over here. For loop, you know how many times loop is going to work beforehand. While loop, you do not know how many times loop is going to work beforehand, as you can see over here. Did you knew here how many times it was going to work? Did you knew, Zulekha, how many times it was going to work? No, right? So in while, you don't know how many times it is going to work. In for, you know how many times it is going to work. And break and continue works the same. They have the same functionality in both. Okay, Zulekha? Is it clear now? Most welcome. That is what I have added now. It is going to run until the secret password is entered. That is while true. Yes, it will keep going till infinity. Yes, that is correct, Saswat. Yes, you guys can do it same as the way we have done here. Same way you guys can do it here as well. That depends upon you. I have given you guys both the syntaxes now. Both the ways now. Now it depends upon you how you guys want to do your codes. Okay? Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts? Any other questions? If no, can I move forward? Can I move forward? If you want to do like that, you have to give it over here. You have to make it predefined. That only this much time I want to make it work. Like you are saying, only 3 times you want to attempt, right?
Can we put it so if what he is asking is that probably we can put that as congratulations, you have unlocked the treasure code. In the back in beginning, continue only until the 3 attempts is there.
Yes,
That
yes,
means we
yes.
can put,
I'm telling how. Let me just copy it, and in another cell I will show, because let it be only. So attempt 3 na. So here before the loop, take the attempt is equal to 3. These many attempts. While attempt is greater than 0. While attempts is greater than 0. Give me a moment. Let me just remove this, which I think I don't want. Password is input. Enter the secret word. Then if it is also the same, then in else now there is something changed. In this else, no, give me a moment. Okay, in this else, what I'm going to do, attempt is equal to attempts -1, and inside this only I'm going to take an if statement again. If attempts will be greater than 0, I'm going to put wrong word. Wrong password, try again. And for that else, I am going to do no more attempts left, game over. Now, if I will run this secret word, let's say Khulja Simsim. Only 2 attempts left. If I will put open bits, 1 attempt left only. If I will do open peanuts, again I'm not taking correct one. No more attempts left, game over. Like this it will work. Is it clear, guys?
So it's
Is
the
this
same
thing clear?
It's the same way as we are putting it in the bank opening,
Yes,
like
yes, yes.
passwords.
Yes, yes.
So it is
Everyone is
case
clear? Yeah,
so it is
yeah, yeah.
case sensitive, or it is not
Yes,
case
it is.
sensitive.
It is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive.
So you have to give lower function input.
Here I am using the same things everywhere, so there I am not using the lower function. And also for this now, because it is a password, for passwords don't give lower function, because password, if you are putting capital letter, that is different. If you are putting lower letter, that is different. No. So for password, don't take that. Don't take lower function. If you want, you can, but for password, I don't think so. It will be beneficial. No. I hope you guys got my point. Because in general, if we will talk about, passwords are also case sensitive only. Unless until you are going to put the correct order, then only it is going to work. It is not like if my password is Mehak and I'm putting this in my mobile phone, it is not going to work. It is not going to work, na? In general only I'm saying it is not going to work unless until I will put this. It is not going to work. My phone is not going to get unlocked. Am I correct? I'm correct, right? Tell me. I'm correct, right, guys? So that in a general way, logically only we have created this. If you guys want to use log, that's upon you. Now, guys, I am having the last example for today now for all of you. Imagine you're designing a login system for the employees at a company. Employees must enter their name and password to log in. However, if the employee's name is Joe, the system skips asking for the password and loops back to ask the name again. Maybe Joe is on leave or restricted temporarily. For all other users, the system asks for a password. If the correct password is entered, the login is successful and the system grants access using the break statement. If the password is incorrect, it prompts the user to try again. So let's create this. So directly I'm going to start with while true this time. I'm going to take name is equals to input. Enter your name. Because Joe's name I have to skip now. If name is equals to what? Joe. Name is equals to Joe. And this time I'm not using lower function. You have to put it like that only. Print. Sorry, Joe, you're not allowed to log in. Okay. Now, here, should I use break or should I use continue? Should I use break or continue, guys? Should I use break or continue?
It's a break.
But according to my question, so I want to continue with others. I want to continue with others. So I will use continue here, not break function, not break statement. Okay, Sudha?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Now continue password is equals to input, because now it is going to ask for the password for the others. So enter your password. If password is equals to, let's just give some employee 2025, print if access granted will come. Name. Just like that. Now here I am going to break. Here I'm going to break. It is going to exit the loop if the correct password is entered. Else, incorrect password. Try again. Is everyone clear with the code which I have written? Is everyone clear with the code's logic? What about others? Zulekha, Nitesh, Sudha, Aishwarya, Aditya, TJ, Subhadeep. Clear? Great. Let's run this then. Okay, enter your name. Give me a name. Barry. Enter your password.
Put that as a correct password, employee 2025.
Correct password. Access granted. Welcome, Barry. Now, if I will take Barry only, because name though any I can take, na? I will take the password as 2024, let's say. Incorrect password, try again. Now, if I am putting Joe. Sorry, Joe, you're not allowed. If I'm putting any other name, enter password and it is working. This is how the program works. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone from the whole session now, because our part number 5 is also completed. So Wednesday, we don't have the need to extend the session to 2 hours now. Like we take the session 1 or 1.5 hours, that only we will take. 2 hours, no need now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts, anyone from the whole session?
But these codes are very lengthy, hard to consume.
Yeah, for that you have to practice, Nitesh. And if there will be any doubts, we are here to help you guys out. Okay? I am giving you guys the homework now. Just try those codes, okay, Nitesh? If there will be any issues, I am there to help. Just let me know, are the all concepts clear? All the concepts are clear, na? Nitesh? Nitesh? Great. So guys, here is your homework. Again, I have added some questions for all of you, which you guys have to do and submit in your WhatsApp group. Now let me just share this notebook also with all of you. I've sent you all the notebook also. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? Okay, guys. So now I'm going to grab your feedback form. That's great, Soumya. So till then, you guys tell me, how was the session, guys? Did you again found the session fast, or is it okay now? Is the speed okay, or do I have to improve somewhere else? Just please let me know, everyone. Now it is okay. This is much better. So is it excellent or good today? Is it excellent, average, or good? Not excellent till now? Not excellent till now, guys? Okay, no worries. I will do much. I will try to do it. I will try to get the excellent also. Maybe fast. Maybe fast, Durga. So Durga, don't hesitate in the class. Whenever you will find my pace as faster, let me know. Let me know. I will slow myself down a bit more. Okay? Yes. Don't hesitate in the class. Okay, everyone. So now I have sent you all the feedback form and I'm stopped sharing my screen. Please fill out the feedback form, everyone, and let me know when done. And also, post quiz will be on Wednesday, not today. Okay, Sudha? Yes. Please fill that form out and let me know, guys, when done. It is mandatory for each and every one of you. And also, please do provide the valid reason why you guys are going to give that particular feedback. Okay? Either excellent, either good, either average, either bad. So please fill that out, guys, and let me know when done. Thank you, Sandin. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Nitesh. Good night, Ramya. Thank you, Sudha. Good night. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sudha. Good night, Sai. Happy Friendship Day to you too, Soumya. Don't worry, Navya. Just go through the recorded session, and on WhatsApp, any doubts, just let me know. I will help you on that. Most welcome. Good night. Navya, do you have the feedback form? Navya, do you have the feedback form? Bye-bye, Sudha. Most welcome. Most welcome. Bye-bye, Zulekha. I've sent you the feedback form now. I've sent the feedback form, Navya. Please fill that out. Good night, guys. Good night. Thank you, Sneha. Good night, Aditya. Good night, Durga. Thank you, Sneha. Good night to you too, Sneha. Most welcome, Saswat. Good night. Arpan, Minakshi, Navya, Durga, please fill out the feedback form, guys. Arpan, Minakshi, Navya. Thank you, Navya. Okay, everyone. So now I'm going to end the session and we will meet on Wednesday now. Bye, guys. Good night.